Samsung is turning up the volume at CES and it wants your living room to sound and look smarter. Hey GAD Insiders, welcome to your go-to for all the tech news. Samsung has revealed 2 brand new Wi-Fi speakers plus refreshed soundbars packed with AI tricks ahead of CES 2026. The new speakers, called Music Studio 5 and Music Studio 7, are designed to blend into your space with a clean, minimalist look and won't hide behind your TV. It's like a stylish decor that just happens to sound really good. The Music Studio 5 is the smaller, simpler option, but it still packs a punch. It features a 4-inch woofer, dual tweeters, and a built-in waveguide for clearer sound. Samsung's new AI dynamic bass control boosts low-end depth without distortion, and you can control everything with voice, Bluetooth, or Wi-Fi. It's basically a smart speaker that doesn't scream on tech gadget. Want more immersion? The Music Studio 7 steps things up with 3.1.1 channel spatial audio using top and side firing speakers to create a 3D soundstage. It supports high-res audio up to 2 4-bit 96 cods, includes advanced calibration tools from Samsung Audio Lab, and can work solo or sync with other Samsung speakers. Soundbar fans aren't left out either. Samsung introduced the HWQS90H all-in-one soundbar, a 7.1.2 channel system with 13 drivers and a built-in quad bass woofer. It even auto-adjusts its audio depending on whether it's wall-mounted or sitting flat. Samsung also refreshed its flagship HDU990H, adding smarter dialogue enhancement and auto-volume balancing for smoother listening. All of it hits the CES 2026 show floor soon, and Samsung clearly wants your next upgrade to sound smarter, look cleaner, and hit harder than ever. For more updates like this video, comment and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update. Google accidentally launched an upcoming product at its own event that no one's heard of before. After all, mistakes happen all the time. Welcome to GadInsider, a place where you can get all the latest tech news. Imagine this, you're watching Google's big event, expecting the usual phones and software updates, and suddenly, for just 10 seconds, something completely unannounced flashes on screen. A mysterious, cylindrical smart speaker glowing with LEDs at the base casually appears next to NBA star Giannis Antetokounmpo and F1 driver Lando Norris. That blink and you'll miss it moment has got everyone buzzing. Because now, according to leaks, this speaker isn't just another Nest refresh, it's shaping up to be Google's most advanced one yet. Think 360-degree balanced audio, sound detection for alarms or breaking glass, full matter support, and even Google TV streamer integration for spatial surround sound. Oh, and it's powered by Gemini AI, meaning natural conversations, smart automations, and even interactive learning with Gemini Live. And the colors are just as bold as the features. This speaker will come in jade, obsidian, porcelain, and a striking bright red. The colors are literally so pretty, right? Although no name or release date has been confirmed, but insiders suggest it could launch as early as October, or Google may even hold off until spring to pair it with a Pixel 10a. Either way, one thing's clear, Google didn't mean for us to see it yet, but now that we have, everyone's waiting for the official reveal. Are you excited for its launch as much as we are? Tell us your thoughts in the comments. Smash that like button and subscribe to GadInsider. Hit the bell icon so you stay updated with more tech news. Audio Engine's HD4 next-gen speakers are here to transform your audio game. Welcome to GadInsider. Let's dive into these audiophile-grade desktop champs. Crisp sound, Bluetooth 5.3, and wired versatility for your home office or vinyl setup? The HD4 Next Gen is turning heads. Want to know why? Stick around. Launch on May 1st, 2025, the Audio Engine HD4 Next Gen builds on the 2021 HD4 with killer upgrades. These compact-powered speakers rock Bluetooth 5.3 with aptX adaptive for 24-bit high-res streaming, perfect for Spotify or Tidal. A new USB-C input replaces USB-A, making it easy to connect your phone, laptop, or turntable. Handcrafted in real walnut, satin black, or glossy piano white, they've got a 4-inch aramid fiber woofer and silk tweeter for rich, room-filling stereo sound. The HD4s are a connectivity dream. Go wireless with Bluetooth or wired with USB-C, RCA, or 3.5mm aux. Analog inputs stay active so you can hook up multiple devices, though Bluetooth takes priority over USB. A headphone amp delivers crystal clear, private listening, and a subwoofer output pairs with Audio Engine's S6 or S8 for extra bass. No built-in phono preamp, so vinyl fans need an extra one. Setup's a breeze, no apps, no passwords. These speakers are ideal for home offices, small rooms, or audiophile setups. They deliver clear highs and solid mids, although bass isn't boomy. It's perfect for jazz, classical, or podcasts. They're a steal for the quality with a 120-watt output and 50 Hz to 22 kHz range. No HDMI ARC limits TV use, but their desktop and streaming prowess shines. Experts are calling them a hi-fi steal for the price. The HD4 Next Gen blends style, sound, and versatility. But are they your vibe? If you want premium audio for work or music, they're a no-brainer. Tried them yet, or sticking with your current setup? Drop your thoughts in the comments. What's your go-to speaker for home office tunes? That's the lowdown on Audio Engine's HD4 Next Gen speakers. If you're hyped for this audio upgrade, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates. JBL is on a quest to build the perfect speaker, and while it's an impossible quest, each new iteration seems to inch closer to perfection. Case in point, the JBL Flip 7. At first glance, it might look like a standard portable speaker, but trust me, this one punches way above its weight. Not only is the Flip 7 lighter than its predecessor, it's also more durable, with more powerful bass and redesigned tweeters. The result, a compact speaker that delivers clear, loud audio, rivaling devices that cost twice as much. Priced at $130, it's sure to top many best Bluetooth speakers lists this year. You can pre-order the Flip 7 for $150 on JBL's website, with shipping starting April 6th. It competes with the Bose SoundLink Flex, Anker Soundcore Boom 2, and Beats Pill, all priced around the same mark. Speakers like the Flip 7 are designed to stand out at your next picnic or beach party. The Flip 7 is IP68 rated, meaning it's waterproof, dustproof, and drop-proof. Whether it's a spill at the beach or a tumble off the table, this speaker can handle it all. And with 6 color options, from sleek white to vibrant red, there's one for every style. Most features of the Flip 7 are accessed via the JBL Portable app. It includes an equalizer with presets and the option to create your own custom sound. Plus, Playtime Boost extends battery life by boosting volume and disabling the EQ, perfect for extended parties. Another standout feature is AuraCast. This allows you to share audio across devices, enabling you to pair your Flip 7 with another for wider stereo sound, or even connect with other AuraCast-enabled devices. That's top performance. The Flip 7 might be small, but when I cranked up the volume, I was blown away by the power it packed. Thanks to upgraded bass and redesigned tweeters, this speaker delivers deep, balanced sound with a wide soundstage. With JBL's AI Boost technology, the Flip 7 analyzes music in real time to deliver optimal performance with minimal distortion. From hip-hop to jazz, the Flip 7 shines. Sure, on some tracks, like Kendrick Lamar's Squabble Up, the bass can feel hollow, but 9 times out of 10, the sound is rich and immersive. JBL promises 14 hours of playback on a single charge, with Playtime Boost adding an extra 2 hours. I streamed my playlist at half volume, and the Flip 7 lasted just shy of 14 hours with no issues. It also ships with 70% charge, so you can get the party started right away. After reviewing countless products, it's easy to get jaded, but the JBL Flip 7, it stands out. It's one of the most durable and eco-friendly Bluetooth speakers, and while it is packed with features, the sound is what truly sets it apart. Compact yet loud, with a balanced soundstage, upgraded bass, and innovative technology like AI Boost, the Flip 7 delivers premium audio at a mid-tier price. Plus, with over 13 hours of battery life and the Playtime Boost feature for even more time, it's perfect for your next adventure or party. So if you're looking for a portable Bluetooth speaker that delivers powerful sound, durability, and eco-conscious design, the JBL Flip 7 is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more reviews and tech updates.